So now you've got your 3-in-1 multi-sanding kit and it's time to change the bases. I'll now show you how to do that. Before you start, it's a really good idea to make sure it's not plugged in so it doesn't run away on you. Grab yourself a screwdriver and there's 4 screws in here. Just quickly undo all 4. So just once all the screws are out, carefully remove the base by giving it a little bit of a wiggle. Now choose your desired base. For this project, we'll go for the detail. Remove the locating pins and put them into the new pad. Now we've got the locating pins firmly in the base we've selected. Let's just align the base up so there's screws holes that way and that way. Carefully put the base on into the locating spots. Now grab one of your 4 screws and start tightening it off. Now I've got the base on. It's really important to line up the holes in all sandpapers because it means the dust canister can catch all the debris and your sandpaper will last longer. Now we've got it fully assembled with our detail sanding pad on and we're ready to get into those detail sanding operations.